LA에서 일하는 소프트웨어 개발자 연봉을 알아보자.
So I'm a programmer.
Did you have a degree to get into this or a certification?
Yeah, I did study at a university
Nice.
at Concordia in Montreal.
What kind of degree did you get?
Computer science.
Do you think that was really helpful to get your job?
Honestly, it might depend. I did not finish, so I studied for 2 years and I still got a job.
How did you get the job? Any words of wisdom, success?
Honestly, just believe in yourself. Sometimes, you try to downsell yourself, but if you have the competencies, just go for it.
How much do you make?
100,000.
Do you feel fairly compensated?
Yep.
Did you ever negotiate your salary?
No, not yet.
What words of advice would you share with others who want to be programmers or get into IT just like you or tech?
That's one of the fields where you could learn on yourself. You have the internet and everything, so there's none that stops you.